Welcome back, future medicos. In today's video, we are going to look at a particular medical college which says that they have got permission for additional 50 MBBS seats, and this information is displayed on the college website. Let's go and check and then find out, is it really true? Do they have additional 50 MBBS seats? Can we look forward to it on the special stay vacancy round? That's what we are going to find out. Come, let's see. So the college I am referring to is actually a deemed university called Wales Medical College and Hospital, which is located nearer to Chennai in Tamil Nadu. If we go to their website, which is walesmedicalcollege.com, you can see a scrolling text on top, which says admission open under NEET UG 2023, special stay vacancy round, counseling by MCC of DGHS, for remaining 50 MBBS seats. So if some of you can recall, originally this college started with 150 MBBS seats. Subsequently, it was reduced to 100 MBBS seats based on NMC's instruction. So in the remaining rounds, in the final rounds, this college has been allowed to fill only 100 seats. So what happened to these 50 remaining seats? That's what the discussion was. Now the college has this scrolling text, but if we go to MCC's seat matrix for round 6 or special stay vacancy round, we cannot see these additional 50 MBBS seats. In fact, Wales Medical College does not even appear on the MCC seat matrix. So what it actually means? Does it mean that Wales Medical College is posting an information that's not right, or MCC has not captured the information? Who is right? So let's try to understand. So let's first open this document posted by the college and see what they are trying to say. So if we come here, this is the notification which says admission notification 2023-24. They are very specifically saying the admission is through Medical Counseling Committee MCC under special stay vacancy round. So they are not saying that I am going to do the admission. Of course, the admission is going to be done by MCC and under special stay vacancy round. And below here, you can see that in pursuance to the directions received from the Honourable High Court of Madras, wide writ petition numbers 29,146 and 29,385 of 2023, the Honourable Court directed the MCC to conduct counselling for the remaining 50 MBBS seats in respect of this institution under this order or the subject matter of litigation in this writ petition, and would be subject to the result of these writ petitions. This is what has been published on the college website on 30th October 2023. Now let's try to go to these writ petitions 29,146 or 29,385 and see what exactly the judge has said and why MCC has not captured. Is there any a gap in the understanding by the college and MCC? Let's try to find out. Now, this is the judgment in writ petition number 29,146 and 29,385, which is actually referred by the college in their notification. So let's go into this case. I'm not going into the every detail of this case, but I will highlight what is it related to. So as you can see that the following order, this particular order is passed purely as an ad interim arrangement pending completion of pleadings and listing for hearing of the matter. So this is not the final verdict, final judgment. This is an interim judgment or interim arrangement made by the court so that the admissions can go on. Now, what is this related to? Of course, this is related to the enhancement of seats from 100 to 150 by Wales Medical College. So let's go through this. This is related to Wales Medical College approaching the High Court, asking for permission to increase the seat from 100 to 150 because NMC has rejected the increase from 100 to 150 seats. Let me highlight some of the points raised by the judge. The issue relating to seat enhancement commenced from academic year 2021-22. Actually, the problem is not starting this year. It started in 2021 itself. And then let's see. So the 2021, when the issue started, there was a court case then also, which is writ petition number 22,750, and that is still under challenge. There is no final orders has not been passed even in that case, right? Which is the case of 2021. Now, the funny thing or the surprising or confusing thing comes here, where for the academic year 2022-23, the National Medical Commission has revealed its hand by not taking any action as against the petitioner college, which is Wales Medical College, which went ahead and admitted students for all 156. Now, what the court says, 2021, you said don't admit the students, you can only admit 100 students. 2023, you are saying you cannot admit 150 students, you can admit only 100 students. But in between 2022, that year you allowed them to admit 150 seats. You didn't raise anything. In 2021, there was a problem. You are saying only 100 students. 2023, you are saying only 100 students. Why in between you allowed 150 students? This by itself would throw a doubt on the nature of the proceedings that have been initiated for the earlier and subsequent year. That is academic year 2021-22 and the present year 2023-24 in light of the acquiescence to the petitioner's eligibility for the academic year in between. That is, in light of the permission given for the petitioner for filling 150 seats. 2021, you say 100. 2023, you are saying 100. But why did you allow 2022 only to fill 150 seats? That throws a doubt in the procedure. That's what the judge has raised, a doubt. But however, the judge says, I cannot pass the order purely on this point alone, right? That's what the judge has said. Okay, there are a lot of other discussions. I'm not going to go through that. Let's move to the final conclusion or final judgment or interim judgment in this case. If you look at point number 15, there is a direction to R4. R4 is a respondent 4, which is Medical Counseling Committee, MCC. So there is a direction to Medical Counseling Committee to permit counseling to be conducted for the remaining 50 seats. So it's very clear, the Madras High Court has given a direction or order for MCC to include these additional 50 seats, as the petitioner has already filled 100 seats of the 150 seats. So Wales Medical College has already filled 100 seats. The remaining 50 seats, now there is a instruction, clear instruction to MCC to include the 50 seats. So whatever that is displayed on the college website is correct. But sir, you are saying this is an interim order. What happens subsequently? The order says the 50 seats is not approved. What will happen to me? Now, the judge also wants to put some safeguards to address the interest of the students, right? So they also taken care of the students in case what happens if the final judgment goes against the college. Now, let's look at that. The first point, the judge has said the petitioner, that is the college, will display on its website a clear banner in large and bold font indicating that the remaining 50 seats for which counseling has been permitted under this order or the subject matter of litigation in this writ petition and the fate of those seats are yet to be decided. So what they are saying, a college, put it on your website very clearly, everybody can see that there is an admission for 50 seats, but it is subject to the outcome of the writ petition. The fate of those seats will be decided only upon the final judgment, right? That's what the college has published. There is a scrolling text, and if you click the scrolling text, there is the document which clearly says the final outcome depends on the writ petition. Now, moving on, it also says the National Medical Commission also display a banner on its website as aforesaid. Now, I cannot see this banner either on NMC website or on MCC website. Both have not displayed this banner. Now, I don't know why. I don't know whether they are approaching the Supreme Court against the High Court interim order. I'm not sure. We have to check. I could not find whether there is a Supreme Court case related to Wales Medical College. In case if I find, I will update you. But as of now, I'm not sure, because NMC or MCC has neither included the 50 seats in the seat matrix, nor they have displayed anything related to that. So I have a doubt they might have approached Supreme Court, but that's not sure. We need to wait and see. Now, to protect the students' interests, say for example, if the seats are cancelled, the final judgment comes against the college, what happens? The fees collected from the students will be deposited to the credit of these writ petitions, so that in the event that the writ petitions are decided adverse to the writ petitioner, that is the college, the same will be available for immediate disbursal to the students. So in case the final judgment comes against the college and the 50 seats are cancelled, then if you have paid the fees to the college, that will be immediately refunded to you, right? That's what the judge has said. The fees collected will not go into the college account. Probably they may have something kind of like different account, I'm not sure, but they say the amount will be deposited to the credit of these writ petitions. So probably it is maintained as a separate account. So whatever the amount, in case the case comes against the college, it will be immediately given to the students. So in case if you're worried, yeah, you can still go ahead with the college. At least the fees is protected. If you lose sometimes, say for example, the judgment takes some time, it comes say 1 year later, what will happen to the 1 year lost by the student? Yeah, of course, that cannot be done anything. That is a risk you have to take in case if you still want MBBS at Wales Medical College. It is made clear that admission and all other benefits extended under this order to all parties, that is the petitioner, the respondents and the prospective candidates, would be subject to the result of these writ petitions that we have discussed. So anything, this is only an interim order. This is not the final judgment. So when the case is coming up for hearing again, it is coming up for hearing again on 30th November only. So by that time, admissions will close. Admissions are closing on 15 November. This judgment came on 18th October 2023. So I don't know why it took so much time for MCC or NMC to take a final call on this. I'm still not sure, but let's wait. As of now, this is the information. There is a Madras High Court interim order instructing MCC to include the 50 MBBS seats for the special stay vacancy round. So let's see what happens. I will update you. Thank you. Bye-bye.